We got, oh my God, old age sucks. We got L'Agence, and L'Agence is a French brand from California. Honestly, the only thing that is French about them is the name. So we're playing French music to give you that Parisian Coco Chanel feeling. So I'm opening L'Agence with my bare hands. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, so spring, summer, L'Agence. Hi David, what a pleasure to see you in my videos. Yes, he does exist. Maybe I will perform this video with a French accent because I was taught of French in French school on the Upper East Side. Ah, please. I went to Great Neck High. Are you kidding me?
No, do it in French.
French accent?
Yes.
Ça c'est linen jacket from L'Agence avec the buttons that are very sailor looking. It's a linen jacket that looks like a denim jacket, slightly longer. You know what? Summer is coming. This may be a bit early right now, but you know what? I'm going to show you how to style it. Just bear with me. Peekaboo. I can tell you that I love this jacket. I love this jacket. J'adore. I can't say in French, je parle très bien français, which means I speak French very well, and then that's where it stops, because I don't speak it. Anyways, this looks like a Saint Laurent jacket from the 70s, from the 80s, that was copied again by the new designer of Saint Laurent, or by Balmain. This jacket is everything, this color is everything. Pair of jeans, you all have that double-breasted jacket, the Kenzie, I think, that's fine. You can still wear it, but something new, this is more modern. Over a dress, it looks modern. We want new. I want to give you something new. Oh, the reason there was a linen jacket was because there's a linen short. These shorts, we had this cut before, and can I tell you, it fits women with a tuchus. It's meant for a vavolicious woman. And how gorgeous is this new way of suiting? These shorts, it's like a shorts outfit. Wear it separately, wear it together. Très chic. Do a striped t-shirt underneath it and do not button it up all the way. Wear it open, little sexy. This shorts, please come and try it. It's not tight across the here, and it's not too short, and it's a paper bag. It's very, very sexy. What is this, and why did I buy it? Oh, just a handy tank to go underneath this. Okay, I mean, L'Agence is not known for their t-shirt, but they're actually gaining popularity because the quality is exceptional. The finish is beautiful. Like, you can do things to it and you don't have to worry about. I love clothes that you can just not worry about. Just put it on. Wow, bang, chicka, bang, bang. Oh! Constance, can you give me an amen? Oh my God, okay. It's got the padded shoulder which can come off, but why? This, I think it's genius. Look at the bounce. The color is not white. It's not snow white, it's not milky white. It's
Is it cotton?
Is it cotton?
Yeah. Or is it cashmere?
No, it's not cashmere.
It's cotton.
It's a rayon blend, I'm sure. It's not definitely
beautiful.
not cashmere. It is rayon nylon avec spandex. You're impressed, right? You're impressed with my French. What is this and why? What? Oh, this is the Margot. We keep selling it. Size 30. Please come and buy it. That's it. It's just a clean wash. Little whiskers or no whiskers. It's just a clean time, perhaps for a new jean kind of a thing. I don't know. I bought it because I kind of love. Hello. Hello. Okay. Call me. Call me, please. This is a gorgeous dress. This color. Okay, I keep saying Balmain, but this color is very Balmain. It's their knits. L'Agence's knits are super comfortable. I know they're not a knit company, but they are becoming one. They really have found a factory that can make the perfect knit. The great thing about this, look at the stitch. It's gorgeous. The great thing about the knits from L'Agence, it's meant for a woman. It's not meant for a skinny girl. It's meant for, wow, voluptuous. That's a winner. That dress is a winner. I know I'm missing something. You know I'm always missing something here. But, okay, this is the L'Agence delivery. Please come and say hi. We have lots of new deliveries. And more is going to keep coming. L'Agence, au revoir, ma chérie.